faster, bro.
I didn't have the full throttle.
No, no. No, but then...
Alright, ready?
Hold on. Good.
We gotta replace the rotors somehow. We have to go back.
Okay.
Got it. He's going underwater. He's going underwater.